What's up guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the step-by-step of doing glitter HTV, which is going to be black for this custom order, and we're going to be pressing it onto a black camo hoodie that is made by independent trading company. So let's get the process started. So here's something that I don't think a lot of people showcase, but I had to cut this file 3 times. So they sent me this image and I had to go ahead and vectorize it. And if you guys know, for vinyl cutting of any sorts or even HTV, you need a vector file that is pretty much like where the outlines and everything is, so the machine knows where to cut. And so when you have a basic image, you can't print it, you have to convert it into a vector, so all these line weights and all this stuff matters. And so I had to go ahead and adjust it about 3 to 4 times, and it took me about an hour, which I thought the first go was going to be done. So the first one, as you can see, the hand is missing right here, and so this was actually a 4x4. So I was like, okay, I'm going to go ahead and change the line weight and bump it up to 4.5 by 4.5. So this is the second one, and again, as you see, it also kind of jumped. So where the banana is, like, I don't know, something happened during the cutting, it didn't work out well. So then again, I had to go back and make adjustment, and finally on the third one, I don't know if you can tell if it's focusing, on the third one it works out perfectly. So I had to go ahead and simplify some parts of the image, and so, which is fine because they actually let me know beforehand that if I needed to make any changes to go ahead, and that's awesome because I love clients like that. So with glitter HTV, it's a little bit thicker than regular HTV, so I think if we had used regular HTV, everything would have been fine, but because I think with glitter, it just makes it a little bit more difficult. So I already turned on my heat press because you all know that the Hotronics takes like a while to heat up, about like 15-20 minutes sometimes. So I already went ahead and put the hoodie under it. So I'm gonna go ahead and press it for 10 seconds just to get the moisture out. It makes the adhering so much easier. And so, all right, let's get this hoodie done and packaged and shipped out.